In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your Slack AI feature. So let's get straight into the video. So let me tell you first what Slack AI can do. So it can find answers for you. You can search across channels, files, and applications. You can also summarize, which means you can get key points from threads and docs. You can also draft and improve, which means you can write, refine, and adjust messages. And you can also create to-dos, lists, and next steps. Now, in order to go ahead and use it, the first thing you want to do is open the Slack AI tab on the bottom left-hand side of your screen. Then you want to simply go ahead and ask a question or request. So type your question or request in the natural language. So as you can see, here's summarize the project alpha channel from this week. And as you can see, Slack AI does it for you. You can also ask it questions or ask follow-ups like what are the action items, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.